Hello friends, welcome back to lmsdaily.com. In this screencast, we will see how you can add the site admin of the Moodle site as a teacher in all the courses on your Moodle site. This might be pretty helpful if you are the sole admin of your Moodle site and you will be the one who will be teaching the course as the teacher. So this thing will ensure that you are logged in as a teacher role in all the courses which you will be creating as a site admin. So now let me show you how you can do that. In order to do that, you need to log in as a site admin and then go to the site admin page here. And then go to the users tab and scroll down to this user policies under the permissions section. Now on this page, you need to scroll down a bit and see that there is a thing named as auto enroll admin in new courses. So if this is unchecked, then you need to make sure that it is checked, and then what it does is whenever an admin adds a new course, they should be automatically enrolled and assigned as the teachers in the new course. Now we have everything mentioned as the creator's role. So for this creator's role, you can see the field above, which is named as this. So by default, it is set to the editing teacher, but you can also change it to the non-editing teacher or the manager role. For this demo, let me keep it to the teacher's role. And then first I will show you by creating a course by unchecking this checkbox that the admin will not be enrolled in the courses. Again, we will check this box and then I will show you the admin is enrolled in the new course as the teacher. So now notice that we have unchecked this, and I will just save the changes. Now I will just go to the courses tab and add a new course. I will just give it a random name. And I will leave all the other settings as default and just click on this save and display. Now I will just go to this participants page here, and you can see that we do not have any participants in this course. So if I would like to enroll the admin as a teacher in this course, I have to use this enroll users and then give him the access as a teacher. But now let me go back to the same page again, site admin, users, and then users policies. And now this time I will just check this box, auto enroll admin in new courses, and then again save changes. Now I will again go back to the courses and add a new course, and I will give it a name as random course 2 with checkbox checked. Sorry. Okay, and I will paste this as the short name also. All the settings as default, just click on save and display. Now just go to the participants tab here, and you can see that we have one participant in this course, and which is the admin user, and the role is of the teacher. So this is how you can enroll the admin user as the course creator in all the new courses on your Moodle site. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for your YouTube channel. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the near future. Thank you. Have a great day.